Welcome to a self-help video where we learn how a customer can get a free MIME certificate from the emSign portal. Let's get started. Log into emsign.com. An MIME certificate is a digital certificate used to encrypt and digitally sign emails, ensuring their confidentiality and authenticity. Click on the Free MIME button to get free MIME with 3 months validity. You can avail free MIME certificate in 4 simple steps. Step 1. Enter your email address in the input field. Click on Next. You will receive the email link on your registered email ID. Click on Complete MIME Request to proceed. Now you will be directed to Step 2 of Submit CSR. You have the option to upload or paste the CSR. You can download the CSR tool on your system by clicking on CSR Generator tool. Here we are pasting the CSR in the verification window. Open your certificate utility tool. Enter your domain name. Click on Generate CSR. Click on the Copy CSR option to copy. Paste the same. Click on Continue to proceed. Now click on Next to proceed to the 3rd step. Enter the requester's name and mobile number in the input fields. Now click on the checkbox stating the subscriber agreement and click on Next to proceed. As the last step, click on the Download button to download your free MIME certificate. Thank you for watching.